Vlog ka na.
Hi guys.
Guys.
Hi guys.
Nilangaw ka pa guys. Oh. Ba't ka naman nilalangaw?
Ayan na.
Hi guys.
Ano yung iba-vlog mo? Ipakita mo yung ano natin.
Today we're gonna go to the cave to go there and swim with full of bats.
With full of bats.
Yes, and whoever's gonna get bitten is my sister. I mean, yan. All of us gonna go there, and whoever's gonna get bitten, that will be in danger.
Stranger danger.
No, we're not. That's dangerous, cause they might turn to vampires, right? And that's why we better run away if somebody get bitten. Bro!
Ano ito rin takatipunan?
Hey, bro! Ayo, bro, my sister! Ayo, bro! Don't do that. Yeah,
Pakilala mo sa atin sa vlog mo. Hi guys!
hi guys, this is my sister.
Ay, pakilala mo yung sister mo.
And she's named Bri, and she keeps doing that thingy.
Tara na.
This one.
Dito kaya tayo, para ikot na.
And we need to go today.
Direct dito tayo.
And first,
Para makita natin.
Tita Mitch is getting weaker and weaker by my sister. Like that. And we're gonna go to there. We're going that down. And remember, just keep your friends in their action. If we're going somewhere, always have to have a parent or your grandpa or mother or something else. Your tita and your lola, and we better go somewhere. Here, this is extreme. Look at this. And this is it. This is the one.
Sis, mga studying thesis.
And we're gonna go in the bat cave for the bat. Whoever's get bitten, it's you, sister, okay? If you see a bat, come closer. Bruh. If you see a bat, come closer, right? Go in my viewers. This is my viewers. Then we're going.